To get added boot space, what you can do is you can lower the rear seat back. So what you need to do is you can see this loop here. There are two loops, one for each side. You can pull the loop and fold the rear bench. So it will fold towards the front, and you can use the added boot space for keeping the belongings and transferring the contents. Let me show you how this is done. Once your front seats are pulled, pull this loop, hold it, and you can have this headrest slightly pulled up so you can get additional space. Now you have a whole lot of space here. You can remove this luggage parcel tray and you have all the space available, and that really is a lot of space in case you want to do some shifting of belongings.